Well, hello world. It's Kami Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So, I'm getting ready to go to Target. Don't mind the hair, don't mind the craziness. I still haven't straightened it. Well, sorry, you probably, it's, because I really didn't do anything yesterday. This is my train of thought, just going all over the place. Because I said straighten, because I started vlogging yesterday, and I said I was going to straighten my hair yesterday, but I really didn't do anything. So I was like, do I upload like 5 minutes of me talking about what? I don't know, of me doing absolutely nothing, or I don't know. So by the time you see this video, I may or may not have posted Vlogmas Day 6. So if I didn't, we'll just skip that day, because I don't want to post anything that's just not good. I don't want to just post something just to post something. Yeah, so right now we're on our way to go to Walmart, and hopefully have enough storage on my phone to take you along with me. I have to buy some gifts for the angel tree for the Girl Scouts, and stuff like that, so we can put it so we can go put it under the tree. I'm kind of listening to Cody at the same time, and yeah, that's the main thing I have to do today. I may try to look for a dress for my husband's holiday party. I don't know. I don't know really, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off, and I'll catch you at Walmart. I know, I'm lame and cheesy. You'll learn to love it. Okay, we arrived at Walmart. And yes, I'm filming through the car window. I just parked, so I'm not going to bring this big old camera inside. So I thought we'd show that we at least made it. Walmart. Let's get to shopping and waste money. Alright, let me go, because this old lady's staring at me like, what is she doing? And I forgot to hit record when I was looking for toys and for the angel tree, but I'm gonna go look at some clothes as well, so it can be a good balance of toys and clothes for them. So we shall see. And I'm kind of whispering because oops, I'm sorry. Because Cody is sleeping and I'm not trying to wake him up. Oops, finger in the way. Okay, let me get going. Okay, this is what I end up getting for the little boy. The ambulance, the red shirt with the black pants, and a helicopter. And then for the little girl, I thought this would be cute. This little unicorn shirt that says Believe in Magic, with the pink pants, the leggings, with a pick-me pop and a Hatchable. Right? That should be pretty okay for an angel gift. I hope so. You see that? Oh my gosh. Hello, it says I'm too tired. I don't know. I can see over my boobs. I'm too tired. It says I'm too tired. Don't talk to me. As you can see by I'm always looking like a hot mess. Oh my gosh, was I really walking around Walmart like that? Look, oh my gosh, I can only imagine what people would think about me. Anywho, oh well, too bad, so sad. Let's carry on. So I just came back from Walmart. I should have some footage that I did on my phone. Not a lot, because I was texting. It's my friend Jessica. So I was texting her back and forth, asking her, what do you think? I know I bother her. I know. You don't have to say it. I know I bother you, Jessica. She's so sweet. She'll never tell me. But no, I was blowing her phone up because I'm so indecisive. I'm very indecisive, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but what if I do this? And Walmart bamboozled me. They sure did, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because, yeah, here's the product. Underneath is the label, and it tells you the price. I know what I read. It said $488. I looked and I looked and I looked and I looked again. It was $488 because we were on a budget, so I was doing the math on my phone. That was another reason why there's not a lot of footage. I was doing the math on my phone. I was texting her, going back and forth. I had Cody. I'm trying to like do all this stuff. It was a lot. It was a lot. It was crowded. So when they ranged it up, and I was like, man, that's a little bit more than I thought. I was like, okay, whatever. I gave her the money, and I was like, okay, whatever. There you go. Obviously, maybe my math is wrong because I don't know, it's a computer. I don't know what I was thinking, honestly. I was just like, man, that's just a little higher than I expected. I was, you know, so I was like, okay. And I go to the car. I put Cody away. He was asleep, so I had to put him in the, I grabbed the car seat and I put it in the car. And then I'm putting the bags in there. And then I sit down, turn on the car, and I open the receipt, and I was scanning all of it. And I said, wait a minute. Why don't I have more $488 prices scanned? I should have had 4. I had 2. And I looked, and the dumb helicopter and the police car was $697. I don't know where they got $697 from because the label said $488. But because Cody was asleep and I was tired and I was sweating because I had left my jacket on, and for whatever reason Walmart they probably keep it warmer to rush people out. But I had my jacket on, so I didn't go back inside, and I just bit the bullet. But I see you, Walmart. I see you. You got me. Not again, because I will go back inside and get my $3 back. But I am happy, and I hope the kids that open these gifts on Christmas are happy and are content with what they got or what they are receiving. So yeah. Oh.
Tis the season.
But I'm gonna grab some food. No, I'm not grabbing food. Or am I grabbing food? I'm heating up food. I'm warming up food so I can eat. Chow down. I'm hungry. It's noon here, Mountain Time. So that's not me eating. That's Cece in the background. Can you hear her? Little ASMR moment if it picks up. But Cody's staring at me like, Mom, what are you doing? He's not crying. But yeah. This is just, oh, in the footage, let me show you this real quick. Because in the footage, I show you a red shirt. But I ended up switching. Is this his size? Yes, it is. I ended up changing it to this. I thought this was cuter than the red shirt. So, yeah, I do hope he likes it. I hope the little girl likes it as well. And let me go eat. Okay, so I'm back. I finally did my hair. And I used this. It's the Cantu oil sheen. It's supposed to be like, what is it? A heat protectant. And like something about moisture and shine. I don't know. I picked it up and I tried using it for the first time right now, and I didn't feel myself straighten my hair because Cody has been something else since we got home from Walmart. He's been literally crying and throwing a fit, but he's distracted with the girls. That's why I'm right here. Yeah, so I used it, and you gotta be very careful because the first time I used it, I don't know if you can see it. It's somewhere in here. I put maybe a little too much, and it looks a little greasy. So I'm gonna cover it up. So definitely just like a little, like just very little, and kind of like spread it with your hands, because like it's a lot. Yeah. So this completes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Since you made it this far, you must subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment. Share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time. Bye guys. Do you like how I messed that up? I messed it up. Did you catch it? Alright. Oh, my tree that still has no tree topper. My husband. It's sitting right there on the table, along with all the other crap. I try not to cuss on this channel. Maybe I'll edit it out. Why are you worried about what I'm saying? My daughter's over here.
See you later, suckers.